Want to know how to learn to stop a Java program? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you and explain you how this code works and how you can easily stop a program in Java. So, sometimes you may want your program to exit early after meeting a certain condition. So in Java, we use a simple method that is System.exit. So this method is basically used for this purpose. For example, you can call System.exit 0. So in this code right here on the fourth line, as you can see, we have used System.exit 0, which leads us to stopping the program. So we have simply printed out the program will stop now first stop, and then we have printed out this condition, and after that is done, this downward system println, this won't be printed. So we can just simply run this program right here just like this, and after that is done, here you can see the program has been stopped and the line hasn't been printed, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.